Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Broth of Enlightenment in Ark Mobile. To begin, gather all the necessary ingredients. This powerful consumable provides a substantial experience boost, helping your survivor level up much faster. It's a crucial item for quick progression, especially when you need to gain many levels efficiently. We'll cover each step, from collecting resources to the final crafting process. To craft the Broth of Enlightenment, you'll need specific ingredients. Start by collecting 45 cooked prime meat, 20 honey, and 20 sap. Additionally, gather 10 rare flowers and 10 rare mushrooms. Don't forget to acquire 20 mejoberries and 20 citronal. These items can be found across the Ark map, often requiring exploration or specific creature harvesting. Ensure you have enough of each before proceeding to the next step. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to cook. Place everything into either a cooking pot or an industrial cooker. Remember to add a water source like a full water skin or canteen to the inventory of your cooking device. Then, simply ignite the pot using thatch, wood, or spark powder. The broth will begin to simmer, and after a short while, your Broth of Enlightenment will be ready for use. After crafting, consuming the Broth of Enlightenment provides a significant 50% experience boost for 30 minutes. This powerful buff is invaluable for quickly leveling up your survivor or your tames. It even stacks with other experience bonuses, like those from Explorer Notes, maximizing your gains. Make sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and discover other great deals available there too.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.